Alright, check it out. This thing's not good quality. I don't care. Vocally, that's all it needs to be. If I could just do straight sound, I would just do straight sound. But this whole thing is about new consoles that's coming out. Xbox versus the PlayStation. Now, I'm not biased. I'm not wild. I'm not crazy. I just actually go for what's best. All these other people, don't listen to them. Scroll down. You see all these other videos. They'll tell you what's not what's what, but they won't tell you exactly what it do. Now, Xbox conference told you exactly what it does. PlayStation conference didn't tell you crap. All the video games that they keep talking about, scroll down the videos, you'll see them. All these video games they talk about, they all coming out on Xbox One, except for 3 or 4 of them or 5 of them. Go on Amazon.com, go on GameStop or whatever, you'll see a scroll of every single one of them. Watch Dogs, Mad Max, Kingdom Hearts, all that crap coming out on Xbox One. Now, a lot of the stuff that happened in the Xbox conference, I do agree with you guys. You know what I'm saying? Borrowing the video games, that's crap. But I don't let people borrow my crap anyway. If I want to play multiplayer, I play on Xbox Live. PS1 was the game system that I had. PlayStation 2 had that too. PlayStation 3 got that too. I took a chance when I had Xbox back in '02. Bought it when it first came out. Now, the problem with the whole little issue is that the Xbox was taking a chance. Xbox came out like PlayStation 4, didn't tell you what exactly was going to do, what was going to happen to it. It was taking a chance buying an Xbox. So if anybody else got an Xbox, well, it came back in '01, but anybody else got an Xbox, one, I congratulate you. You know what I'm saying? Not the Xbox One that's going to come out, the first one that actually came out, the first Xbox. You know, when it first came out, big old X on the top. Anyway, y'all got that. Congratulate you guys, because you guys were just like me, taking a chance on a system that basically just came out. Now, Xbox was better than the PlayStation 2. Don't hate, congratulate, it was. Now, PlayStation 3. Xbox 360 was better than the PlayStation 3. Don't get mad, congratulate. We could talk about how many times Xbox changed the dashboard to make the dashboard better. We could talk about how many times PlayStation didn't change the dashboard. I got a basically Sony Blu-ray player. Blu-ray 3D player. It has the same dashboard as the PlayStation 3. Now, I would show it to you guys, do a comparison half and half so you can see that, but all that stuff is gay. Now, Xbox 360 came out, dashboard changed 4 to 5 times already. Why? Because it is about gaming. It's all about gaming, but it's all about more. When the PlayStation 3 came out, you guys was all hyped up and all crazy about the Blu-ray. Didn't even know what the hell it could do. Didn't even know what was going on with it. It told you that it can do X, Y, and Z. It told you what you can look for. It told you what you could probably have. But it didn't tell you exactly what was going on with it until you bought it, played with it, seen it, and was like, okay, this is cool. This is what's up. Now, the Xbox 360 came out, told you exactly what was going on, exactly what it could do, showed you what's new, what's brand new. You guys was pissed off and crying, talking about PlayStation is what's up. We're going to go ahead and go to PlayStation 3. Hey, do what y'all do. You know, if y'all want to roll with PlayStation 3, roll with PlayStation 3. Y'all want to roll with Xbox 360, roll with Xbox 360. Now, if y'all want to know what's better, Xbox 360. Put them side-by-side comparison. Play whatever you want to play on them. Say whatever you want to say about them. But when you look at the video, you can say what's what and what's better. Now, when we talk about the PlayStation 4, look at the conference. Go on there and look at the conference. The conference will show you that nothing has anything on it when it comes to the Xbox. Now, you guys can sit up there and say, yada, 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 this and that. But you guys will never see anything like the Xbox One. PlayStation ain't even thinking on that level. Everything PlayStation does, they copy what Xbox and the Wii does. Oh my God, PlayStation doesn't do that. Okay, we're going to go with the new Kinect that's coming out on PlayStation 4. Look at it. What does it look like? Looks like an Xbox Kinect. Wait a minute. Go back to the PlayStation 3. Look at the little move that they got. Oh my God, that looks like a Wii with the nunchucks. Oh my God. PlayStation copies everything that anybody else does. PlayStation hasn't came out and said, hey, this is brand new PlayStation stuff. This is the only thing that PlayStation does exclusively just for PlayStation. Now, I give it to PlayStation. They got 2 to 3 games. 2 to 3 games that are exclusive just for PlayStation. Now, Xbox got wop, 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 all these games. The reason why y'all didn't see all the games that they were showing on the PlayStation because Xbox didn't want to show you stuff that was going to be on the PC. Xbox didn't want to show you stuff that was going to be on the PlayStation 4. Xbox wanted to show you things that was just going to be on the Xbox. So don't start crying and whining and all this other type of stuff. Talking about, oh my God, Battlefield. Oh my God, Mad Max. Oh my God, Kingdom Hearts. Because all that crap is going to be on the Xbox One. And that's what Xbox didn't want to show you. Xbox wanted to show you straight exclusive stuff. Exclusive stuff. So I'm going to tell you straight. Once again, I got all the systems. Look. Currently moving, so I can't bring us up, but I got the PlayStation Vita right here. The Vita right here. Now, I'm gonna sit up here and tell you again. PlayStation 4 ain't got nothing on the Xbox. Now you can go ahead and look at all the videos and look at everything you want to look at, but Xbox showed you exactly what you can do. I remember beforehand, you guys only talked about, PlayStation 4 shows Blu-rays. PlayStation 4 shows Blu-rays. This is what the Xbox 360 did for y'all. It came out with the HD player. Y'all didn't even care about the HD player. Y'all was just caring about the games. So now that's what PlayStation 4 was doing. PlayStation 4 was doing is saying, hey, that's all they care about is the game. We just gonna bring out a system that plays the games. They ain't come up with nothing new. They came up with the same system that looks different, that plays Blu-rays too. Xbox One, you take everything out from underneath your TV. I got like 5 to 6 things underneath my TV. I got a surround sound system, the Xbox, cable box, and I got the Blu-ray player. I got all that up underneath my TV. Xbox One is saying you could take all that out and put basically the Xbox One. That's what they're telling you. Xbox One can control all that. Now y'all can say, oh my God, PlayStation 4. Check it out. Look at this scenario. You're playing the PlayStation 3 right now. You're probably watching this video on the PlayStation 3. You're a sucker, but check it out. PlayStation 3 right now. You go ahead and play it. You got to turn it all off. Press the little input button on your TV. Some of y'all remotes is even broken, so y'all got to get up and turn the TV to whatever setting y'all want to. Xbox One, Xbox, TV, Xbox, ESPN. You know how crazy that is? 1, 2, 3, 4. You talking about, oh, why we have to buy the Connect? Wait, and then it's the price sense. Y'all all got crazy about the price crap. That's the basic model. Xbox One telling you this is the only model we're gonna come out with 500 gigabyte hard drive and the Connect. Boom, there you go, $499. PlayStation telling you, okay, we ain't gonna give you crap. It's gonna cost you $399 for one controller and the system. They ain't telling you, oh, for the iToy, it's gonna cost you an extra $59.99. Oh, wait a minute, you're gonna need the little Wii remote with it. Oh my God, that's gonna be another $59.99. Oh my God, oh, you want this too? It's gonna be another. If you add it all up, man, you're looking at the $499 price tag, and you're looking at probably like a $599 price tag when it comes to all the stuff that you're gonna get for the PlayStation 4. Now, I don't care what system you get. I'm not the guy trying to tell you to get this system or get that system. I'm the guy that's trying to tell you what's better. Stop talk about DRMs and letting somebody borrow your crap. I understand that. I understand that completely. I know the whole Xbox stuff, all the stuff wasn't good. PlayStation didn't show you crap. But there's a lot of stuff on the Xbox stuff that you did actually like. And you did wow factor. I can feel you guys. You guys are breathing in blood. You know what I'm saying? PlayStation 4, I love it. You got the PlayStation 4 tattoo on your chest. But just go for what's better. Stop hating, congratulate. You know what I'm saying? Xbox One is taking it to another level. The Wii U took it to another level. PlayStation 4 is keeping you on the same track. PlayStation 4 don't care about you. They care about what's in your pocketbook. That's it. Xbox, same thing. But Xbox is caring about the way you game, the way your household is. Basic entertainment system telling you can do every single thing that you want to do on the Xbox One. Now I'm going to give you this challenge right here. Check it out. Whatever you find out on the Xbox One from watching the conference, weigh that up against the PlayStation 4. Think about that. Everything that the PlayStation 4 done told you, that's grinding your head, match that up with the Xbox conference. Then say, what system can do what? Forget about DRMs, forget about internet connection, because they done updated that. They said you can let anybody, your mama, grandmother, whoever, use your games. I don't do that. I don't let nobody use my stuff at all. But if you want to do that, if you want to do that, you can go ahead and do that. Scratch up your disc, can't play it no more, whatever. But if that's you, that's you. Now, for Xbox, they done corrected that. They said you can go ahead and let anybody use it. They talking about the internet connection. They done fixed that. They said you ain't gotta never connect to the internet if you don't want to. They done fixed that. These are the type of people that just fixes stuff because they want your money. Now, if you want to give your money to an obsolete system, go ahead and do that. Go ahead and do that. But I'm trying to let you know straight up, the Xbox One is the ish. And it ain't even dropped yet. Neither has the PlayStation 4. So we got a lot of time. And they're going to come out with a lot of stuff trying to tell us crap. Trying to tell us a lot of stuff to get our money on a holiday season. So just know what is better right now. Stop listening to all these blogs and all this crap trying to hear about DRMs and connectivity and all this bad crap. They both got bad crap. But what system is better right now? The Xbox. The same way that y'all was feeding off of the PlayStation 3 when they was talking about Blu-rays. It's the same exact thing, except for Xbox is throwing more at you than Blu-rays. They throwing all this other crap at you. But the only thing you're talking about is the bad stuff. Talk about the good stuff too, because the good stuff outweighs anything that PlayStation can actually throw at you. And remember what I said. Look at the side-and-side comparison from both conferences and tell me this. How many of them PlayStation games that you've seen are not going to be on the Xbox? And how many of those Xbox games that you've seen is not going to be on the PlayStation? Look this stuff up, man. Research it. Don't just look at these blogs. Get on the internet and find out which game you want. I want to get Watch Dogs. Wait a minute, Watch Dogs gonna be on both sides. Ooh, they did this big old thing on Mad, you know what I'm saying, Mad Max. I want to get Mad Max. Mad Max on both systems. Oh my God, Kingdom Hearts on both systems. Oh my God, the Destiny on both systems. Look it up, guy. Look it up. Trust. Just trust, man. Hit me up, man. Let me know. I hate y'all. Y'all hate me. I don't care. I'm just trying to just set this straight.